Those are swans, but are these just swans right there? These are just white geese, right?
These are just type of geese.
Yeah.
Yeah. The ducks are eating them too. Let's see if we can get that white goose to come over.
There's one to your right. This guy is pretty
here,
funny. No, this guy right here. Ready? Watch this guy.
Oh, here they come. Let's go over here.
This guy's really funny.
Let's go over here. Come on.
Yeah.
Give me some.
You want to catch? You want to catch? Ready? Ready?
Here we go. Here we go. Guess they don't want to eat.
This is dumb.
This guy's a little bit more aggressive.
Wait, he's dumb.
Look at the color. Look at the coloring on this one.
Oh, wow. Well, that's just a big duck, I think, right? That's a pregnant duck, I think.
He's still hungry, the black one here. He hasn't gone anywhere. Oh, here we go. Hi.
Look at that
Hi.
guy.
Oh, he's waiting. He's waiting this one.
What are those things? Interesting.
I don't know what those
Beak?
are. And those things, those wings things, those wings that stick out like that. What is that? See how his wings kind of stick out?
Well, I think that's a defense. I don't think that's a good thing.
What is that?
It looks like he's hurt.
You think?
I don't think that's normal thing.
Maybe he's injured.
Or like he's got had a fight or something. Although it's parallel, or what do you call it? The same on both sides. That's curious.